everyone, Craftsman Exterior Remodeling out here in Carmel on our finished remodel project with James Hardie fiber cement. As you can see, this one we went with some lap siding and also straight edge shake. This is Pewter that's on here, so we redid all the soffits, all the trim, roofline trim, all the trim around the entire house, and did a little bit of framing as well on this one. But this turned out really nice. I like this colorway. I like how in our design session we were able to put some shake in here at the top and kind of differentiate some of these peaks and make the house kind of pop a little bit more. Those transition boards where the peaks are lined up perfectly, in my opinion. Did a good job with our designers on setting that up. I'll do a quick walk around to the back. You can see we redid all the trim here. It looks really sharp on the bird boxes. We added in some fascia. Back here you can see there's a lot of brick on this house too, but it does have a nice little bump out. That's a newer section back here, but you can see we added in some of our custom flashing. We have some boral along the roof lines that match the actual siding color. I think makes it blend in very nicely. And then back here we also did a continuation of the shake in the A to kind of differentiate that. So really good project. Turned out very nice. Homeowners very happy. Again, this one's in Carmel, Indiana. Full siding, trim, and soffit replacement. Just wanted to show an after video on this one. Any of your exterior needs, please give Craftsman Exterior a call. Thank you.